Hi, it's Don Taylor coming to you. This time from Mission. I moved from Hoko about 6 months ago and came to Mission with a dream of building relocation platforms. And I'm presently going to school, taking a 6-month business course. I passed my 2 weeks preliminary, so I'm good for the next 24 weeks. So I'm going to school and I'll be putting a business plan together for the relocation platforms and merging that with the Joe Pipe technology to make the systems fully efficient, energy efficient. And I haven't done an update for a while. I haven't been on YouTube for a while, and just thought to take this time to come to you to bring everybody up to speed. So Tuesday we're actually going back to school. They told me early that I'm already one of the finalists going in to take the completion of the course. And so what I'm hoping to do is talk to one of the facilitators at the business college and see if they'll phone one of the metal places, fabrication places in Vancouver that they actually gave me some free metal in the past as a promotion. And so I'd like to go maybe talk with one of the owners or the CEO of the business and see if they will actually fabricate a stove design. I'm at the place where I'm bringing the Joe Pipe technology into fruition, bringing it into tangible form. And if doors opened up earlier, I could have had this going. But I believe now is the time for it, since I'm going to taking business school and all that, and where I'll be opening up probably a corporate company, and going from there and probably merging with others, and making strategic alliances and things like that. But I'm hoping to contact this, touch base with some of the people in charge of this metal shop in Vancouver, and see if they'll actually build a stove. I already have it designed. It's going to be 16 inches wide by 24 inches, 2 inches deep, basically a stainless steel box. And I'll be incorporating the Joe Pipe technology in that. And in the system, I'll be all lined with soapstone, not soapstone, with a fire brick, because it does get hot, so you want to try to keep the edges cool. And I'll be incorporating in a recirculating system, 5/8 stainless steel tubing, and this will allow for you to unhook or hook up to your 40-gallon hot water tank. And so the power goes out, you can just connect it to the Joe Pipe recirculator system, and you have hot water for your house. And the time's coming up, you're going to need this, especially with this H151 bird flu or whatever, where they're trying to inject us with the RFID chips and bring us into a time of martial law. So it's time to get serious here, and people's going to need some survival technology right up front. So I'd like to have this inline heater, and also going to have a water plenum in with it, so you'd have your personal hot water. So you have a large area, about maybe 1.5 times that of a Coleman stove. You'll be able to cook your bacon and eggs and your hot cakes or whatever you want to do, your bannock, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So this is just going to be the very basic model, and I'll see if they'll make it for me. And once I pick it up, I'm going to display this on YouTube. And you guys out there who want the plans for it, I'm going to make the plans available. But I'm going to be generating little income from it this time. Maybe asking $20 for the plans or something. And on the West Coast, I'd like to be able to come to some kind of an agreement, manufacturer's agreement for this company to manufacture these stoves here in the West Coast, and also maybe make contact maybe with a sister company on the East Coast, and maybe in the United States. So anybody out there who's watching this, who wants to get this up and running, to maybe franchise this out. I'm willing to let this stuff go, but I need to test it and do all the scientific data testing first. Okay, another avenue is, at some point, I'm hoping to make the right contacts where I want to develop the Joe Pipe technology and take it to the unlimited heat potential. And so far on YouTube, you've only seen the normal parameters of what the Joe Pipe can do, but it has a whole other side of it that I would like to explore, and I believe that the Lord has shown me exactly what steps to take to actually open up the Supergate end of the Joe Pipe, and we're talking energy probably in the several millions of BTUs output. And when you go from the third state of matter into the fourth state of matter, you're dealing with a whole new energy form here, and converting standard fuel into superconductive fuels. Okay, I think I'm going to cut it short here. I just wanted to take a few minutes just to say hello. I'm still around. I'm uploading. I just finished a test with a piece of 8-inch quartz, 5/8 by 8-inch quartz, and I never really had the tinfoil packed around the quartz. I can actually show you a sample if I can find it here. This is the quartz tubing that I've been using. Only was experimenting with an 8-inch point. When the fire was burning back here, it was white hot. So I just had a piece of tinfoil shoved in back there to make it work. But once you get the air corrections done, I'm going to be redoing the test again. Okay, I'm going to cut her off here.